All right, yes, I know I always say welcome to the new house, and this time in Youngtown, Arizona, which is over by Sun City, but I really mean welcome to this new house. This house is almost a new build. The city was actually going to completely demolish this house. This has been left vacant and empty and roof wide open for 10 plus years. All sorts of crap, which we'll show you pictures and stuff to that, is just sitting on the inside. So literally I thought, well, I know the concrete's good and the walls are good. So let's build the house, right? I actually had to go meet with the city because it took them years upon years to get approval to try to demolish this, so it wouldn't be a nuisance to the community. And I had to go convince them to not do that and put money up front. So the thing turned out fantastic. We did do an extension, right? It was a carport. You might be able to see some of that in the other pictures and videos as well. And there is literally no ceiling inside of that carport. So this is the new master bedroom on this side of the house. And because of the state of the house was before, everything is brand new. Brand new windows, brand new air conditioning, brand new roof, brand new everything. So some lucky buyer is gonna absolutely love this house. So let's come stroll in and let's take a closer look. Knock, knock. Are you our new buyer for this house? Just kidding, the house isn't even on the market yet. The last time I walked into this house, not the last time, the first time I walked into this house, I was trudging through a bunch of bird poop, feathers, junk. There's a big old pile of crap on the floor because the roof was wide open, right? We walked in, we walked over here, me and my contractor. There was a closet right here. We opened it up, bam, flew out, scared the crap out of us. Right? And you would think, you knew nobody was actually living in this house. Because like I said, vacant for 10 plus years, the city was gonna demolish it. And now look at this place. This is absolutely fantastic. We've got the 2 bedrooms over here and the guest bathroom, right? They look amazing. We do them the same way on most of our homes. But you come in, this is now a way more open concept. So this wall here, obviously stops here now, but it was a closed concept before, right? So this wall continued all the way over to here and you had to walk all the way around. So you had your living room and your kitchen. Now completely wide open, right? Quartz countertops, stainless steel, shaker cabinets. It looks fantastic, right? Like it always does. A family is absolutely gonna love this place. Tons of can lights. I like the daylight light bulbs. You know, that's just the type of vibe that I like. One other upgrade for this kitchen, right, is the gas stovetop. So this in Youngtown, it actually used to be a 55 and older community, but no longer is. So it is available to pretty much everyone. Now, we did obviously replace the doors. We had to replace everything. Okay, we added the fence back here, huge backyard. Without that fence, we actually had people walking back and forth because we didn't have fences at the side of the house either. So we did have a little bit of a problem of people walking back and forth. If we have a photo, I'll have them add the photo, but we had people drop off couches, and basically, who drops off junk at a construction site? You know that's hurting somebody. But anywho, it looks great. The house used to stop just right here, right at the end of the kitchen. This was a solid wall, and we got permits for it, of course, and we did an extension. You got your laundry room on this side with your brand new hot water heater, and look at the space of this. You're gonna be able to put your huge laundry set right here, add plenty of shelving, storage, whatever the heck you want. So plenty of space here. And then going back the other way, your master suite. And we got a little extra space this time on this one, right? This is a really decent sized master suite. Closet down here, almost the whole wall worth. So you're gonna have plenty of closet storage, and our master bath right here, right up front, right? Just like we always do, quartz countertop, same thing, shaker cabinets, looks fantastic, right? I always like to do a lot of the same stuff because we know it looks good, we know how to install it, the crews know how to install it, and it all comes out pretty much perfect, or as close to perfect as you can, right? So this house was definitely a lot of work, as I've explained. And you know what? You might ask, how did I find this house? This one was found with direct mail. So we targeted homes that were vacant, that needed a bunch of work. We sent out a mailer. And because, as I explained at the beginning of the video, the city was gonna come demolish this whole thing, they had just got approval and they were gonna do it in the next 2 to 3 months. So the guy was panicking. He actually lived out in California, and he called me and asked me for help. So I'm very grateful that we were able to help him out, give him as much money as we did, because now I'm selling it, the market has come down. He wouldn't have even got close to what we gave him at the time. So it all worked out great for him. The house looks great. And quick little story about that. We're just getting ready to close. You have to sign all the documents. We send a mobile notary over to his house. He's really anti-Big Brother. He barely answered the door for the mobile notary, then lied about who he was and sent them away. And then pretty much the deal almost fell apart. But after calling him back on the phone and letting him know, like, you have to say who you are and sign to sell a house. All right, guys, that's gonna kind of wrap it up here. This one turned out fantastic. It's like our third house flip that we finished this month and looks fantastic. If you like these kind of videos, like the video, subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of other before and after videos that you can watch, along with other educational type videos. So also follow me on social media at the Kyle Kargas on Instagram. If you're already watching this on YouTube, of course, subscribe. It's at Kyle Kargas, right? So until next time, peace.